Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with three lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Then tap on the Settings button from these different options that appear. To continue temporarily deactivation process, tap on Account Ownership and Control button. Go to the Deactivation and Deletion section. Make sure Deactivate Account section is marked and tap on Continue to Account Deactivation button. To continue this process, you should write your password. After you wrote your password, tap on Continue button. Thus, the process of temporarily deactivating your Facebook account will be completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and click the bell for new videos.